In this video, I'm going to share with you my go-to curry-based masala that uses fresh ingredients like these to make gorgeous curries like this and like this. That's right, one masala, a million curries. Hey, Ash here at The Cheeky Indian, sharing with you our take on Indian and Indianish recipes that will blow your taste buds apart. Remember to stick around to the end of the video to find out how we take today's masala and turn it into this mystery curry. See if you can guess what it is. Ah, so delicious. So remember, you can like us on social media at The Cheeky Indian and hit like and subscribe if you like what you see here today. We'd love for you to be part of our YouTube family. All the ingredients and useful links are in the description below. But for now, you know what? Let's get cracking. So grab yourself a nice hot saucepan and put about 3 to 4 tablespoons of veg oil in. Let that heat up, and then we're going to go with some nice whole spices. We've got 1 star anise and 4 or 5 of these nice lovely whole cloves. Just drop them into the oil. Get our next batch of whole spices. So we've got some cassia bark here, which is basically cinnamon, and 3 or 4 dried chilies. Again, into the oil. Let the oil infuse, and then we'll go in with 2 finely chopped onions. We chop them up using one of these mini chopper grinder here. We're going to let them brown for about 5 minutes. Don't worry if it catches at the bottom of the pan. That's kind of what gives it its colour. Just be careful not to let it burn. Perfect. So now we're ready for the ginger and the chilli mix. Again, we ground them up in our mini chopper. Same with the garlic. In with the garlic. Watch how it catches at the bottom here. Now, don't worry too much. This is kind of where you're going to get the lovely brown colour for the end product you can see here. Once it's nicely tanned, we're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of salt. And then with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Again, it's going to give some lovely colour. And then half a teaspoon of chilli powder. So most of the heat has come from the green chilies. This is just going to give you lovely flavour. Mix, 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 and you'll have this lovely thick paste. Absolutely delicious. Give it a little taste. When you're happy with the taste, drop in 1 cup of tinned tomatoes, chopped in tomatoes if you can. Mix them in on a nice high heat, and then we're going to drop in our coriander. About 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Save the rest for later. Again, a good old mix. Don't be afraid to drop in a little bit of water here, depending on what kind of heat you've been cooking on so far. When you're happy with the consistency, drop in about a tablespoon of tomato paste to add a little bit of depth. And then we're going to jump in with our garam masala, our mixed blend of spices. Don't forget the golden rule, guys. Do not stir. The reason we say that is because we want the complexity of the garam masala to bleed into all the liquid at the top of the pot. Just leave it on the top, let it simmer for 10 minutes with the lid on, come back to it, and then give it a good stir. Oh yeah, check this out. Notice how all the oil has separated and left you the nice thick curry masala at the bottom. That's when you know the base is ready. Fast, fresh, and full of flavour. Cook this masala up with anything you like, chicken, lamb, any kind of meatballs, any kind of veg you can think of. It's great. That reminds me, are you ready for the bonus mystery recipe? Check out what our bad boy masala base has been up to this week. Lovely, lovely, the only words to describe that. So there you have it guys, our curry masala base and our saag paneer bonus. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe and I hope you love making it even more. Thanks a lot again for watching. Hit subscribe if you've enjoyed what you've seen here today, and we will see you in the next video.